Welcome back everyone, you're watching Entrepreneur, and in today's video we're going to be starting a mini series on how to day trade cryptocurrency on Binance. Now the reason I wanted to make this video is because I know a lot of you guys want to get started with trading cryptocurrency, but you don't really know where to start, or it's all very overwhelming, or maybe you had a bad experience of trying to trade cryptocurrency. Well, I wanted to make this a bit of a series and more content as we move on that we will release on really focusing on how to get started for beginners and where to start off. So this first video is going to be all about finding coins to trade, right? Every single coin that is out there is not going to be a coin that you want to trade. So in today's video, we're going to be focusing on the fundamentals of the coins that you want to look out for, kind of like the aspects that you want to look for that will show up time and time again in quality projects that you want to trade for the long term. So let's start off with my philosophy of how do I choose the coins that I want to trade. So my overall philosophy is this. So for cryptocurrency, for me, I believe in the underlying technology of blockchain. I know a lot about it. I research about it, I read about it. I enjoy this space and I'm passionate about the technology. So for me, it's easy to be able to identify what I want to trade because I believe in it for the long term, and I want to be able to not only trade it for short-term gains now, but over time, know when to accumulate for the long term. So that's my overall philosophy. I trade coins that I believe in for the long term, and that's something that I feel that everybody should adopt as well. So how exactly do we do that, and what exactly are the coins that I look out for? So for me, like I said, I believe in the underlying technology of blockchain. So I try to focus on projects that create their own blockchains and are trying to have their blockchains used to create other, decentralized applications, applications for large businesses, or even just integrate blockchain into large businesses. And those are the type of coins that I focus on. Some examples of these could be Ethereum. As you guys know, Ethereum is the most popular coin that is focused on underlying blockchain. Things like EOS, Cardano. I could go on for days about quality blockchain projects that I'm into and that I trade on the regular and are looking to invest in large positions for the long term. But for now, let's focus on how you guys can pick out coins that you can trade every single day for max profits. So to get started off, I wanted to be able to give you guys something free to get you guys started. So the first link in the description, I want you guys to go click on that right now, and it'll take you to a screen where all you need to do is enter your email for me, and then I will send you that top 17 cryptos list. And this will be coins that I trade every single day, all day, and coins that I've handpicked and that I trade every single day. So these are quality projects. So if you guys want, you can go check those out, and you already have 17 cryptocurrencies that you can go to for trading. So after you do that, if you don't want to do that, or if you have done that, there are also a few other ways to find coins to trade. So every single day, for beginners, if you want to just come to CoinMarketCap and look for coins to trade, what you're going to want to do is come over here to the top of the page. And the first thing you're going to want to do is check the volume. Okay, so all you're going to do is click on the volume tab, and it will sort everything by volume. Now, the reason we do this is because when you're trading, you want to make sure that whatever you are trading is most liquid. Okay, and what do I mean by that? That means when you're looking to buy, there's going to be someone that is going to be able to sell to you. When you're looking to sell, there's going to be someone that wants to buy from you. Okay, it's not going to be like some coins that get like $100,000, $30,000 of volume in the last 24 hours, because that means, if you're trading with $60,000 or $50,000 and you're looking to sell that off, not only is it going to crash the price of the coin and you'll lose out on your gains, but you're not going to be able to sell that off because no one, there's not enough volume for that. So you need to make sure you're trading in something that has a lot of volume and is liquid and you're able to move in and out of very quickly, because after all, we are day trading. Or at least for most people that trade, you still want to trade in something that's liquid. So step one, sort by volume. Step two, identify the quality projects, your criteria for coins you are willing to trade. For me, that's blockchain infrastructure projects. So those are the ones that I focus on. So for example, if I were to sort this today, I would say, okay, I'll look at Ethereum, I'll look at EOS, I'll look at Qtum, I'll look at Neo, I'll look at Cardano, because those are blockchain projects. Looks like they're getting a good amount of volume today. Those are the coins I want to look at. Okay, so that's step two. look for the quality projects that are getting the most volume. And those are really the only 2 steps you need to do. As long as you do that, the rest of it is really comes down to being able to know when to enter, when to exit, how to use Binance, how to use all the features of Binance, how to set a stop loss, how to set your the correct limit order for buying and selling. Knowing everything that goes into trading really comes down to steps that you have to take after you choose what you want to trade. So first off, choosing what you want to trade though is a very important part, because if you're trading the wrong thing, like I said, there's a lot of different problems that you can come across if you don't do that correctly. Now, another thing that I like to do is once you have kind of like a list of coins, I call it my watch list, and a lot of other people do, I would actually suggest that you go into CoinMarketCap livecoinwatch.com and take advantage of the watch list section. So all you have to do is create a free account and you can have a free watch list. I think you can actually do this on CoinMarketCap as well, but I never had good luck doing that there. So I use Live Coin Watch as well as our private group. Everybody uses that as well. So you can actually go in, build your own watch list with all the coins that you want to look at every single day. That way you can just list your coins and not have to look at all the coins that you don't want to look at, and just focus on the coins that you do want to look at, while still having the tools to sort by volume and change 24 hours, see what's dropped, see what's gone up, and everything like that. So that is what I wanted to cover here. And lastly, besides Live Coin Watch, again, for those of you guys who want to start building your watch list, that free list of 17 cryptocurrencies, first link in the description, that will help you out a ton and eliminate a lot of the learning curve for what's good, what's not. But besides that, if you guys also want to take advantage of Binance, you can come in here and actually sort by volume on Binance as well. So specific to the exchange, instead of just saying sort by volume across the entire market, across all markets, which means across all exchanges that trade that currency. If you come onto Binance and specifically sort by 24-hour volume, saying by USDT, Ethereum markets, Bitcoin markets, you get the point. You're going to be able to see what exactly is getting the most volume with a specific pairing on this specific exchange. So again, that's going to help you specific to Binance for those of you guys who are trading on Binance. Since this little video series I'm doing is specific to Binance, that's obviously going to help you guys pick out the winners over on Binance. So that is kind of the last little thing I wanted to include in this video. Like I said, go over, get that free list of top 17 cryptos if you want to, and then again, you can make your watch list on Live Coin Watch. I haven't had luck creating a watch list on CoinMarketCap. Of course, you guys can try that if you prefer it, but I just use Live Coin Watch for my watch list. And then lastly, in the next video, we're going to be getting into how do we know when to buy, different technical analysis strategies you can use to know when to buy, when to sell, and getting into the actual meat of trading, the actual, what do you have to do to be able to know, I'm going to buy here, I'm going to sell here. If it doesn't go the way I wanted to, I'm going to sell out and take a loss at this point, because there's a lot of different aspects to trading that a lot of people don't realize before they get started. So I want to make sure I cover all of that in this series. So again, if you guys have anything that you have questions about, leave them in the comments. I want to make sure I address everything for everybody and help everybody start this new path in their lives and help people start to learn how to invest in cryptocurrency. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, first step, if you guys want to follow along with this playlist, go get that list, top 17 cryptos. That's a free list, and then go make an account on Live Coin Watch and create your watch list with the quality projects that you want to be able to sort through every single day by volume to see what's trading and what's doing well, what's not doing well, and to be able to just get a good look at the market and for what you want to look at every single day while keeping the long term in mind. So like I said, in the next video, we're going to get into a bit more of the strategy part of trading with technical analysis and things like that. But for now, again, let me know if you guys have any questions about anything we've discussed in this video. But besides that, I will see you guys tomorrow for the next video. Have a good one, guys.